One of the most important things that you need to consider as a developer is the responsiveness of your website. Also, if you're a client having a website being built for you, this is one of the most important things that you need to check for. You need to ensure that the website looks good on all the devices. So take out your phone, take out your tablet, and just make sure that it looks good there. In HTML and CSS, this is easily done by using media queries for the various sizes, and then you can just make changes based on those screen sizes, or in this case, we call them viewport sizes. In WordPress, this is handled differently using these different viewport sizes that you're seeing here. And you can go ahead and set up your website based on these sizes. In order for you to get the other custom sizes, you need to go to your dashboard, go to Elementor, then go to Settings, head on over to Features, and scroll down until you see Additional Custom Breakpoints. Make sure this is set to Active, save changes, and the next time you load your page, you will see the additional breakpoints. Back on your page, you need to go to the Site Settings tab, go to Layouts, scroll down until you see Breakpoints, click it, and then this is where you want to add the additional custom breakpoints. I already have them here, but essentially just come to this Active Breakpoints box and make sure that every single one of these are checked. Then, once you do that, you need to enter in the values for each of those breakpoints. The same values that we use here while we're coding with HTML and CSS is the same values we're just going to enter here. So if you don't know what those are, then you can just copy what I have. Once you're done, hit Save Changes, reload your page, and your screen will now look like mine, and you can click through the different viewport sizes. I created a tool that can assist you with the responsiveness of your website by simply identifying exactly which viewport you're actually in. Now, once you know which viewport you're in, you can confidently make the changes to the website and know that it's for that particular device. So let me show you how it works. So I'm just going to go ahead and add it here. I call it responsive tool. I'm just going to add the template. Then I'm going to drag it all the way to the top. And now if I preview this, you can see as I'm switching through the different viewport sizes, the bar at the top changes colors. And that is the secret. That's what you need to be able to do so that you can see exactly what you're working on. Let me show you why this is important. So here I am on my phone, and as you can see, we have a purple bar at the top here. So if I take a look at my viewport size, specifically the one for mobile portrait, you can also see that it has a purple bar at the top. So changes that I make here are what's going to show up on my mobile device. Now, if I go to the mobile landscape version and I start to make changes here, I'd expect that those are the changes that would show up when I turn my phone landscape. But look what happens. Now my phone is landscape, but the bar is green, which means any changes I'm making here is not going to show up on this landscape version on my phone. If I go to the tablet landscape, I'm seeing the same green bar. So this is the actual viewport that would affect the landscape version on my phone. The reason for this is because the devices that you have, they vary in sizes. So just because it's a phone and it's in landscape, it does not automatically mean that this is the size that fits it. So having a tool like this actually helps you in so many ways by just simply letting you know visually that this is the screen that I should be working on. You can go to my website and get this tool and start making sure that you are working on the proper screens and make responsiveness a whole lot easier for your website development.